Shiba Inu's market activity has taken an intriguing turn in recent days. While the token's price has remained largely unchanged, a shift in how investors are interacting with exchanges has caught attention. Data shows a 21.5% drop in the average amount of Shiba Inu being removed from exchanges in the past 24 hours. This is a significant decline compared to the higher withdrawal rates seen in recent weeks. The slowdown in outflows suggests that investors are no longer aggressively moving their holdings off exchanges, which could point to a change in sentiment or strategy. Large holders, in particular, appear to be holding their positions amid ongoing market uncertainty. This is notable because periods of stable exchange activity often precede significant price movements. However, the last 24 hours have been unusually quiet for Shiba Inu, with exchange reserves remaining steady at 80.8 trillion SHIB. The reduced pace of transfers indicates that holders are in a holding pattern, possibly waiting for clearer signals from the broader market. Technically, Shiba Inu has broken out of a rising wedge pattern, a formation that typically signals a potential price decline. Currently, the token is trading below both its short and medium-term moving averages. Additionally, it remains under the 200-day moving average, which is a key indicator of long-term trend direction. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Technical signals suggest that the token is still in a weak position. Despite this, recent trading volumes have dipped, which may indicate a moderation in aggressive selling. The token is currently hovering near a critical support level of 0.000055. The reduced velocity of sales could imply that sellers are becoming more cautious or that buyers are stepping in to absorb the pressure. However, it's important to note that technical patterns alone don't guarantee future price action. Market conditions are still volatile, and Shiba Inu remains highly sensitive to broader crypto sentiment. The next key signal to watch is whether this period of stability continues or if we see a sudden increase in outflows from exchanges. A sharp rise in withdrawals could signal renewed selling pressure, while sustained stability may suggest that holders are preparing for a potential rebound. Investors should also keep an eye on whether Shiba Inu can hold above its key support level. A break below that level could trigger further downward movement. In the meantime, the token's market behavior remains in flux, with investors appearing to be in a waiting mode. The recent shift in outflow activity is a subtle but potentially meaningful development that could foreshadow a change in direction for Shiba Inu. As always, the broader market context will play a crucial role in shaping the next move for this meme-based token. Understanding the mechanisms behind exchange outflows is important. When large holders or institutional investors move tokens in or out of exchanges, it can signal confidence or concern. A drop in outflow suggests that fewer people are looking to sell, which could indicate either a lack of urgency or a buildup of patience among holders. This could be a sign that investors are waiting for a catalyst, whether it's a broader market recovery, a new development in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, or a shift in sentiment among traders. The stakes are clear. If Shiba Inu can maintain stability and most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Avoid a further decline in price. It may attract new buyers looking for a potential rebound. On the other hand, if selling pressure resumes, the token could face renewed downward momentum. The next key signal will be whether the token can maintain its position above the 0.000055 support level. A breakout above this level could signal a short-term reversal, while a breakdown could lead to further declines. For now, the market remains in a holding pattern, with investors watching closely for any sign of a turning point. The recent changes in exchange activity may be a small but important clue in the ongoing story of Shiba Inu's market journey.